Let's start from scratch by downloading the official Kali Linux ISO file. Open up your browser, and go to kali.org. Click on Get Kali. Select Bare Metal, and click the arrow to download it. Here is the Kali Linux ISO image. Open up VMware Workstation, and create a new virtual machine. Select I will install the operating system later. Select Other 64-bit. Create a new folder for the Kali Linux files to keep them organized. Select number of cores for your processor, and amount of RAM to be used. Set the new folder for the disk file. Select Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Select CD/DVD, check Use ISO image file, and select Kali Linux image file. Power on the virtual machine. Select Graphical Install. Select your language and country. Set a username and a password. Select Guided, use entire disk. Under Partition Disk, select Yes. You must select the first two options in order to have a graphical interface, the rest is optional. Select the device from the list. Select Kali Linux. Enter your username and password. All done. Please subscribe.